Have you ever found yourself looking up at the night sky, wondering if we are truly alone in the universe? It's a question that has fascinated us for centuries, and it's no less intriguing now. The universe is a vast expanse, spanning billions of light years and containing an estimated 2 trillion galaxies. In such a dizzying array of cosmic real estate, it seems almost inconceivable that Earth would be the only planet to harbor life. The question is no longer if, but when and where we will find extraterrestrial life. This isn't just about little green men or flying saucers, but about the fundamental understanding of life itself. How common is it? How does it begin? What forms can it take? Recently, there's been a flurry of news and developments that have reinvigorated this debate. From UFO sightings to reports from American intelligence about the existence of aliens, it's clear that this topic is far from settled. Even tech giants like Amazon's Ring is offering a hefty prize for proof of extraterrestrial life. So, with all the recent news and developments, are we any closer to answering this age-old question? Now, you might have heard about various UFO sightings making headlines recently. The buzz is real and the discussions are heated. Take, for instance, NASA's recent release of an independent report on unidentified anomalous phenomena, or as we more commonly know them, UFOs. However, the report concluded with a bit of a letdown for the believers among us. The verdict? No concrete evidence of extraterrestrial origins, but the plot thickens. During the course of this study, NASA faced a wave of online harassment and threats. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Just how much are we ready to hear the truth, or the lack thereof? As we ponder that, let's delve into another fascinating development. NASA is working on a procedure called the Confidence of Life Detection Scale, or the COLD scale for short. This scale is designed to assess and share potential discoveries of alien life, rating scientific confidence on a scale of 1 to 7. Each level represents a higher level of evidence, turning the search for extraterrestrial life into a slow, suspenseful buildup rather than a sudden revelation. Imagine that, the day we finally announce the existence of alien life. It's expected to be a significant event, probably involving the US presidency. Or perhaps the news could come from another nation's space agency. The discovery of intelligent alien life would no doubt raise a barrage of questions about communication, potential risks, and the controversial notion of contacting extraterrestrial intelligence. But here's the catch. Despite all the sightings and reports, definitive proof of extraterrestrial life remains elusive. It's a mystery that continues to haunt us, a question that lingers in the corners of our minds. Are we truly alone in this vast universe? Or is there more to the story? As we continue our quest, we can only hope that the truth, whatever it may be, is out there. In the quest for proof, some are even willing to put a price on it. Imagine this. A cool $1 million just waiting for the person who can provide irrefutable evidence of extraterrestrial life. Sounds like a plot from a science fiction novel, right? Well, it's not. This is precisely what Amazon's Ring is doing. The company, known for its smart home security devices, has thrown down the gauntlet, offering a staggering $1 million to anyone who can provide unaltered scientific evidence of extraterrestrial life captured on their doorbell camera. And while it might seem like a marketing stunt, it's a testament to the growing fascination and earnest curiosity about life beyond our planet. This initiative by Ring isn't just a random act. It's a reflection of a broader trend, the surge of interest in UFOs, and the tantalizing possibility of life on other planets. And it's not just the public that's intrigued. Governments, scientists, and even corporations are all joining the hunt, eager to answer the question that has been echoing through the ages: are we alone in the universe? Yet this $1 million quest isn't without its critics. Some argue that it's merely a distraction, a way to deflect from the more serious issues at hand. Others see it as a dangerous game, one that could inadvertently invite unwelcome attention from extraterrestrial beings. But whether it's seen as a thrilling challenge or a reckless gamble, one thing is clear. The quest for proof is intensifying, and the stakes are higher than ever. As the hunt for proof intensifies, it becomes clear just how much this question has captured our collective imagination. The thought of extraterrestrial life, of not being alone in the universe, stirs up a mix of fear, excitement, and wonder. And as we continue to search the stars, one can't help but marvel at the possibilities. What if one day that doorbell rings, and on the other side is the proof we've been seeking all along? While we search for life in the vast expanse of space, there are potential indications much closer to home. Mars, a planet that has long fascinated scientists and space enthusiasts alike, may hold some promising leads. Recently, a study based on radar soundings conducted by the European Space Agency's Mars Express orbiter suggested something extraordinary. Beneath the icy south pole of Mars, there appears to be a highly reflective area, consistent with a large deposit of liquid water. Now, why is this finding so exciting? Well, on Earth, wherever there is water, there is life. From the deepest oceans to the coldest ice caps, life has a knack for thriving in water. This discovery, if confirmed, could imply that Mars, much like Earth, has the potential to harbor life. Further supporting this hypothesis is data from NASA's Mars Global Surveyor, which showed a distinct surface undulation in the same region. Computer modeling based on this data suggests that there is indeed a lake beneath the ice. If these findings hold up to further scrutiny, they could represent a significant breakthrough in our understanding of Mars and its potential to support life. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The presence of water, while promising, is not definitive proof of life. It does, however, create the conditions necessary for life as we know it. So if there is life on Mars, it may be hiding beneath the ice, in this buried lake, kept warm by geothermal heating. As we continue to explore Mars, with rovers on its surface and satellites in its orbit, we may yet find more evidence to support the idea of life on the red planet. The day may come when we can say, without a shadow of a doubt, that we are not alone in the universe. For now, though, we can only speculate and continue our search with the knowledge that each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? Could our next-door neighbor Mars hold the key to answering our question? As we continue to explore and learn, the question about the existence of extraterrestrial life remains at the forefront. Theories and speculations abound, each one adding another layer to this cosmic mystery. Some suggest that alien life forms could be vastly different from what we understand as life. Perhaps they are silicon-based instead of carbon-based, or maybe they exist in dimensions beyond our comprehension. The discovery of extraterrestrial life would be a game-changer. It would not only redefine our understanding of life, but also shed light on our place in the cosmos. The implications would be profound, touching upon various aspects of our society, including religion, philosophy, and science. One of the significant questions that emerge is communication. How would we interact with these alien life forms? Would we have a common language or means to communicate? Some scientists propose that mathematics could serve as a universal language. However, others argue that even if we manage to establish contact, understanding each other might be a whole different challenge. The potential discovery also raises questions about risks. Contacting extraterrestrial intelligence has been a controversial topic, with valid concerns regarding the potential dangers for humanity. Would these beings be friendly or hostile? What if they are technologically superior and view us as a threat? These are not just plot lines from a sci-fi movie, but real concerns that need to be addressed. As we inch closer to potentially answering the age-old question of whether we are alone in the universe, we must also prepare ourselves for the implications of the answer. Are we ready to share our universe with other intelligent beings? Are we prepared to face the consequences, whatever they might be? As we peer into the cosmic abyss, we can only wonder, are we truly alone, or is there someone or something out there looking back at us? So, after all the news and developments, where does that leave us? We've traveled through a landscape of sightings, controversies, and million-dollar quests for proof. We've dipped our toes into the icy lakes of Mars and pondered the existence of life beyond our blue and green sphere. We explored the intriguing idea that we may not be alone in the universe, and that our cosmic neighbors might even be living among us, concealed by a veil of mystery and uncertainty. We've seen that our quest for the truth is fraught with challenges, from the need for irrefutable evidence to the responsibility of communicating such a monumental discovery. We've considered the potential risks and rewards of making contact with intelligent alien life. We've grappled with the implications of these possibilities and the profound questions they raise about our place in the cosmos. But despite all the news, the sightings, the theories, and the speculations, we are yet to arrive at a definitive answer. The mystery of extraterrestrial life remains just that, a mystery. Yet this doesn't dampen our curiosity or our determination to seek the truth. In the end, the question remains, is there extraterrestrial life? Only time and our continued exploration of the cosmos will tell.